Vande Mataram students, today onwards, we are starting our revision for term 1. So, all of you are having your portion with you, but let me share it with you again. For term 1, we are having this many chapters. In history, we have French Revolution. Geography, we have India, size and location. Second chapter is physical features of India. Third chapter of geography, that is drainage system in India. In economics, we have a story of village Palampur. A second chapter, people as resource. In civics, we have what is democracy, why democracy. This chapter is lesson number 2 in old book. And constitutional design, this chapter is chapter number 3 in old book. Today we are starting our revision with civics last lesson. Last in the sense, the last one which we have done, that is constitutional design. Now, what all topic you should be knowing? Okay, so let's learn about that thing. Please listen this video carefully and do your revision accordingly. Okay. Now we are coming to the most important topic of this chapter, and that is apartheid. Okay. Now what is apartheid? Okay. Now apartheid was the name of system of a racial discrimination unique to South Africa. Okay. Now this system was actually dividing people based on their skin color. Now black, who were actually original native of the South Africa, were more in number but were oppressed actually by the white people. The white people rulers treated all non-white as inferior. Non-white did not even have voting right. This system, under this system, the blacks were forbidden from living in white area. They could work only in white area if they were having permission. Bus, taxi, school, hospital, colleges, library, cinema hall, everything was different for black and white. Okay. In examination, you may get this kind of picture. Please pay attention here in video. And we may ask you what it is describing, that it belongs to which country. Then you should be able to write that it is about the apartheid system which was there in South Africa. Then again, second important concept here is the after apartheid system, how South Africa came up with the finest constitution of the world. Now, why South African constitution is considered as the finest constitution? Because it is on the basis of equality of all races, men and women, on democratic values, social justice, and human rights. This part is important. Okay. The party which ruled in examination you don't need to write that. Then second point you need to write, if this kind of question comes, then the South African constitution gave its citizens the most extensive rights available in any country. Together they can decide that in the search of a solution to the problem, nobody should be excluded and nobody should be treated as their own. I have marked out over here. Everybody please pay attention over here and marked out this thing for the answer of the finest constitution of South Africa. Now another value-based question comes here is about the why South Africa is considered as a rainbow nation. Why South Africa is considered a rainbow nation? Because South Africa is based on the multi-race. It's giving equal opportunity, bring equality among the all races. That is why it is known as rainbow country. Now, why do we need constitution? Here, one of the important question is what is constitution? So you need to write for what is constitution is. The constitution is the supreme law that determines the relationship among the people living in the territory, that means citizens, and also the relationship between people and government. If in examination, if you are going to get what is constitution, then you need to write this. Here four are the features of constitution. You need to learn this. Once we move ahead in this chapter, we need to look, we are coming across to the making of Indian Constitution. Now the most important concept here is the why it was difficult to pay, why it is very difficult to make Indian Constitution, why it was not so easy affair. Here the main point will come, it is huge and diverse country, India, and obviously it's very difficult, it's very challenging rather than to frame a constitution for a huge diverse country where there are multi-cultures, multi-regions and multi-religions. The second important point here will come, country was born to the partition on the basis of religious differences. And it was a very traumatic experience for the people of India and as well as to Pakistan, but which you don't need to write in answer. Okay. The third most thing was the merger of the princely states. There were 547 princely states. Was a very difficult and uncertain task. And in examination, I may ask you that name the leader who accomplished the task to merging of this princely state. And what is going to be your answer? Your answer is it's Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Okay, here another value-based question can come that why at the time of writing constitution, the future of country did not look as secure as it does today. Okay, this is a very good question. Then you need to mention all about points. Another important point here, you need to write that how India is going to have its constitution, that ideas were there before our independence. Motilal Nehru actually worked for that. Let's move ahead in the our what you call chapter. Another important part is what is actually a preamble. Okay, and what are the guiding values of the Indian Constitution. So what is preamble? That's a really what do you call? Oh, good question. So you need to understand what we call preamble is that the constitution begins with the short statement on its basics value. This is called a preamble to constitution, and word has got inspiration of this from the American model. Okay, this also you need to understand. Moving ahead in our chapter for revision purpose, you need to understand all these. We the people of India, what is meaning of sovereign, what is socialist, what is secular, what do you understand by democratic, fraternity, equality, liberty, justice and republic. This is again a useful thing for your examination purpose. In examination, you may get this kind of MCQs. We already discussed these MCQs in the class. Okay, you need to understand any questions like this can come under our new examination pattern. Okay, you guys are not aware about new examination pattern, so let me share that thing with you. Okay, yeah. Okay, this is new examination pattern. This is class 10th paper. Okay, but 9th standard is always going to be same like that. It's a 40 marks so paper this time. So obviously your portion is reduced as per that. Not 20 marks 1 mark question, but 20 marks or 10 marks 1 questions. Now you can see from this thing Let me increase the fonts of same so it will be very easy for you to see that. Okay. You may get this kind of tables, column. You may get MCQ, you may get filling the blanks. You may get one line question. Okay. You may get this kind of one case study, not in Verma, but for the mainly for the section B kind of thing. And you need to write from the source, right? Here the source B, source C, is everything is being given. So time to time when we will do our revision in the class, we will discuss about this. I have also given you today questions for this chapter. So let me go through that. Okay, constitution design, term 1 revision. What is apartheid system? All of you are very well aware about it. Racial discrimination policies, all the conditions you need to write. Why South African constitution is considered as one of the finest constitution of the world? We have already marked this answer because this constitution is drafted based on the equality of race, equal rights among men and women, equal rights among all the races, and this constitution is given extensive human rights. Why it is known as Rainbow Nation? You know that it's a multiracial country. What are difficulties were faced by Indian constitution maker? We have already discussed that thing. You need to understand for difficulties, you need to remember 3 points: partition, then huge and diverse country, and princely state. Okay, what do you understand by constitution? A 1 mark kind of question, supreme law, which binding citizens and the government as citizens with all the citizens. Why the future of the country did not look as secure as it does today at time of independence? Answer of 4 and answer of 6 are same. Okay, 6 I have asked in a different way. Why preamble is known as the soul of the Indian constitution, or for as a matter of fact any constitution? Why? Then what you have to write? We have discussed this answer in length actually. Okay, why constitution is preamble is considered as the soul of this thing? It's considered as a soul because it's provide a standard to examine, evaluate any law and action of government. Okay, we can check, we can understand whether government's law and action is based on constitution or not, because otherwise as a normal human being we cannot understand entire constitution. What are the main ideals, 4 main ideals of the preamble of the Indian constitution? You write any 4: secular, socialist, republic, democratic, or any 4 which you are comfortable in doing that. So here our revision for chapter number 1 of civics, chapter number 2 of civics is over. Okay, our next video will be on the revision for chapter number 1 of civics, and we may take chapter number 1 of economics also in that. Okay, so please go through this video and plan out your study time or study work accordingly. Jai Hind.